Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today our page is page number 61. Students, first of all, put date at the top. 30, 4, 20, 20. Students, adding 3 numbers. Students, do you remember we done this concept yesterday? We add numbers with the help of number line. Today we will do the same. Let's read the statement. When we add 3 or more numbers, we look for groups of 10. We have to find out the group of 10. Now students, here we have our first question. 3, 6, 4. We have to add them. But here is the twist. Firstly, we have to find out the group of 10. Let's see students. When we add 6 in 4, the answer is 10. Students, 6 is bigger, so we have to count towards 6 and add 4 in it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have the answer and the answer is 10. Now we have to add 3 more numbers in 10. Let's point off 3 little bit dots on the back of 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now students, count towards 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. In 13, we have 1 tens and 3 ones. Students, here we have the next one. When we add 6 in 4, it's the group of 10. We have to add 2 more in 10. The answer is 12. Another one. Here we have a different group of 10. 5 and 5. When we add these 2 5s, the answer is 10. Students, here we have 5 fingers in our hand. We have to count them twice. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now students, count towards 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The answer is 10. We have to add 3 more in 10. When we add 3 more, students, we have to count towards 10. 10, 11, 12 and 13. Here we have the answer. The answer is 13. In 13, we have 1 tens and 3 ones. We can also carry out addition using the number line to find the sums of 3 numbers. Point A. Here we have 3 numbers 9, 1 and 4. We have to add them. Firstly, we have to find out the group of 10. Now students, with the help of number line, we are going to solve this sum. First number is 9. Let's find out 9 at number line. Here we have the 9. Second number is 1. We have to jump over 9 to 1 number on the right. The answer is 10. Students, when we add 9 in 1, it's the group of 10. We have to write here 10. Now here we have 4. We have to jump 4 numbers over 10. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we got our answer and the answer is 14. Answer is 14. Students, in 14 we have 1 tens and 4 ones. Point B. Here we have 3, 2, 7. We have to add them, but after finding the group of 10. Now students, if we add 3 in 2, is it the group of 10? 3 is bigger, we have to add 2 more in 3. 3, 4 and 5. No students, it's not the group of 10. Let's do it with the help of number line. First number is 3. We have to find out 3 here. Here is the 3. We add 2 in 3. It's not the group of 10. We have to add 7 in 3. Students, we have to jump over to the right 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we add 7 numbers in 3, we find out a group of 10. Students, our group of 10. Let's write here 10. Now we have to add 2 more numbers in 10. Go and jump over 10. 2 more numbers to the right. 1 and 2. Here we got our answer and the answer is 12. We have to write here 12. 1, 2, 12. Students, in 12 we have 1 tens and 2 ones. Point C. 8, 2, 3. We have to add them. After finding a group of 10. Students, with the help of number line, we are going to find our group. First number is 8. Let's find out 8 in number line. Here is the 8. Now, the second number is 2. We have to jump 2 numbers to the right. 1 and 2. The answer is 10. We find our group of 10. Right here 10. Now students, we have to add 3 more numbers in 10. Jump 3 numbers to the right. 1, 2 and 3. The answer is 13. Write it in the box. 1, 3, 13. In 13, we have 1 tens and 3 ones. Point D. 4, 7, 6. We have to add these 3 numbers with the help of number line. Students, when we add 4 in 7, 7 is bigger, so count towards 7 and add 4 in it. 8, 9, 10 and 11. Students, it's not the group of 10. We have to count towards 6 and add 4 in it with the help of number line. For this, first of all, we have to find out this 6. Here is this 6. Now jump 4 numbers to the right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we jump 4 numbers to the right, we got answer and the answer is 10. Students, write here 10. Here we have the third number. Third number is 7th. We have to add it in 10. We have to jump 7 numbers to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we got our answer and the answer is 17. Write it in the box. 1, 7, 17. In 17 we have 1 tens and 7 ones. Here we have point E. Students, 5, 9 and 1. We have to add these 3 numbers. But remember, we have to find out the group of 10 first. Students, when we add 1 in 9, 9 is bigger, so we have to count towards 9 and add 1 8. 9, 10. It's the group of 10. Now students, we have to add 5 more in 10. Point a little bit 5 dots on the back of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now count towards 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here we have the answer and the answer is 15. Write it in the box. Students, in 15 we have 1 tens and 5 ones. Point F. Students, 1, 2 and 9. We have to add them. Students, here we have this same group 9 and 1. When we add 1 in 9, we got our group of 10. Now count towards 10 and add 2 in it. Students, point on 2 little bit dots. Then count towards 10. 10, 11 and 12. We got our answer. The answer is 12. Write it in the box. In 12, we have 1 tens and 2 ones. Point G. Here we have 8, 6 and 2. We have to add them after finding the group of 10. Students, if we add 8 in 6, students, 8 is bigger. We have to count towards 8 and add 6 in it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Students, it's not the group of 10. We have to add 2 in 8. 8, 9 and 10. It's the group of 10. Right here 10. Now we have to add 6 in 10. For this, we have to point 6 little bit dots on the back of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now students, count towards 10 and add 6 in it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Here we got our answer and the answer is 16. Write it in the box. In 16, we have 1 tens and 6 ones. Point H. Here we have 3 numbers. 3, 6, 7. We have to add them. Students, when we add 6 in 3, 6 is bigger, so we have to count towards 6 and add 3 in it. Here we have 3 fingers. Now count 6, 7, 8 and 9. No students, it's not the group of 10. We have to add 3 in 7. 7 is bigger. We have to count towards 7 and add 3 in it. 7, 8, 9 and 10. We find our group of 10. Right here 10. Then we have to add 6 in 10. Point a 6 little bit dots on the back of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now students, count towards 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Here we got our answer and the answer is 16. In 16, we have 1 tens and 6 ones. Point I. 5, 5, 8. We have to add them. Students, when we add 5 in 5, students, we done this here. When we add 5 in 5, the group of 10. Here we have the 5 fingers in our hand. When we count it twice, it's the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now students, we have to add 8 in 10. We have to point a little bit 8 dots on the back of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now count towards 10 and add 8 in it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Here we got our answer and the answer is 18. Write it in the box. In 18, we have 1 tens and 8 ones. Point J. 1, 9, 9 numbers. We have to add them. Students, when we add 1 in 9, 9 is bigger, so count towards 9 and add 1 in it. 9, 10. Students, it's the group of 10. 10. Now we have to add 9 numbers in 10. For this, we have to point 9 little bit dots on the back of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now count towards 10 and add 9 in it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Here we got our answer and the answer is 19. In 19, we have 1 tens and 9 ones. Point K. Here we have 2, 4, 8. We have to add them. Students, when we add 4 in 2, 4 is bigger. We have to count towards 4 and add 2 in it. 4, 5 and 6. It's not the group of 10. We have to add 2 in it. 8 is bigger. We have to count towards 8 and add 2 in it. 8, 9, 10. Students, it's the group of 10. Right here, 10. Now count towards 10 and add 4 in it. For this, we need a little bit 4 dots here. Now students, count towards 10. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Here we got our answer and the answer is 14. In 14, we have 1 tens and 4 ones. 0, 10, 4. We have to add them. Students, when we add 0 in 10, the answer is 10. We have to match and write here 10. Now we have to add 4 in 10. Point a 4 little bit dots on the back of 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now count towards 10. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Here we got our answer and the answer is 14. Write it in the box. Students, put date at the last. 34. Students, stay at home, stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.